All right, we are going to continue on with our double crochets. We have 2 here. We are going to do 10 more. That makes 3. Wrap around, go through the center. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And remember, our chain 3 counts as one of our double crochets at this time.